want to be the hope of people. I come from a very poor background. I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty. And if there's anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent, and I fight for what I want. Thank you.
But I need this, yeah, I need this. You're my fault, my weakness. When did you turn so cold?
Magandang hapon, Candelaria-hing. Ngayon po ay i-welcome po natin ang ating minamahal na kababayan, our Miss Universe, third runner-up, Maria Atisa Manalo.
Proud na proud po kami sa iyo at welcome na welcome ka sa ating minamahal na bayan ng Candelaria.
Cut me down to the bone. Now you're dancing all over my soul. Falling to pieces, to pieces, to pieces. But
Maria Atisa Manalo! Maria Atisa Manalo! Maria Atisa Manalo!
Maria Atisa Manalo!
Maria Atisa Manalo!
Maria Atisa
Let us all welcome our Miss Universe 2025 third runner-up, Miss Maria Atisa Manalo! Welcome home!
Love you, Atisa! Love you, Atisa! Aking pong dadalahin ang pangalan ng Candelaria at ng Quezon Province. Maraming salamat po and please bear with me kasi marami tayong pagdadaanan. Malay nyo, Miss Universe yung kasunod ito.
Take me take me take me.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo ngayong hapon na ito. Kahit alam kong maulan, nandito kayo. Ipakita para sa akin ang inyong pagmamahal. Buong laban ko po, ipinagmamalaki ko na taga Candelaria ako at taga Quezon ako. So buong laban ko po, i-make sure ko po na ginagawa ko yung best ko para po maging proud ang mga taga Candelaria at maging proud ang mga taga Quezon. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo at patuloy na pagmamahal. Thank you po.